two. 1, 2, 3. There was a boy, very strange, enchanted boy. Wandered very far, over land and sea. Little shy, sad and wild, very wild was he. And then one day, magic day, he passed my way. We spoke of many things, fools and kings. Yes, he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. And then one day, magic day, he passed my way. We spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me, the greatest thing I'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Is just to love and be loved in return. Is just to love